Girl Siddung is my most popular song in my catalog. We go without saying, yeah, after cons at the time in a Subkonshus would have been Darrio because the obvious to the eyes and the ears. You know what I mean? I put in the right amount of work for that happen.
How did things change, if anything changed, when Massacre came to the camp now?
I think this is the first time I ever said this publicly in our interview.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Muscle, and this is another Two Line Music Hut's Entertainment Report podcast. And today, we have a really special guest in the building. Listen, when it comes to performance, this man is one of the top-tier performers. This man's been in the business from, say, the mid-2000s to right now. 3 bodies of works, hits, all type of stuff. You know we have in the building today? We have Darrio in the building today. What's going on, big boss?
Mad, my general. Maximum.
You're good.
Cool, man. Big up, man. Big up.
Now, man, definitely happy to have somebody like you sitting in the chair because I've seen you, to me, it feels like from the beginning of your career until now. So it's actually good to sit down and actually see how you've seen your career through your eyes.
Yeah, inside looking out.
Yeah, you understand? That's really what... And I see you, somebody like you, you're a real personality, and I don't think a lot of people really get to see Darrio, so hopefully we'll show them something today. You know what I mean? Definitely. I know original D-side.
Yeah, man.
Chilani.
Yeah, man. Big up the whole D-side, Wakefield, Bounty, you know?
Yeah.
My girl.
Yeah, man. My wife is from out there, so I know the second time I went to Jamaica, 90-something, was Chilani. She's from Bunkers Hill.
Yeah, near range, near D-side.
Yeah.
Go up at the crossroad, turn.
Okay, so you know what you're talking about.
Yeah, man.
Because how I know D-side used to keep enough dance. Jaro and those sound that used to come out there.
World Clash, man. Twin City land, man. Japanese, my first place that them play, man.
Okay, was D-side.
Yeah, man.
Bass had to send all of them out.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. What was it like growing up in D-side those times? I know you didn't spend a lot of time, but you spent some time.
All right, I spend a lot of time, you know. I never lived there a lot of time. I moved when I was 7-year-old, but every holiday, every important day out of the year, I go home back. So I normally spend a whole lot of time, man. So I get to experience the Sound Clash era. We get to go to Twin City land when the Suku just put the on them in iPod.
Yeah.
And hear big sound, a tune up, and hear Twitter, clap and everything. Yeah, we experienced that, man. It was a nice vibe growing up in D-side, man. It was like, up to now, like me catch the last of that type of growing. Like, now everything foreignized now. Nobody have no cow and goat again, a dog, a poodle dog and them thing they are going in a D-side now.
Yeah.
You know, when we got my cousin them, you had me see big bag of dog food. No, we used to get dog bone.
Come on, you know you mix up whatever you're eating.
Anything when me I eat or that my dog I eat, you know what I mean? So things change, but me growing in the old school, me catch the last side, you know? Yeah, man.
D-side, Chilani, and even music. I know your parents were into music. I think your father plays a lot of instruments.
Yeah, my father.
And your mom's a singer.
Yeah, my mom sing on church choir these days now, but my father still actively play music. Him actually perform with his band at the Bayer Hotel in St. Anne.
Okay.
Every Wednesday and Sunday, I think. You know what I mean? But yeah, he's the man who play every instrument. You know what I mean? My mother was the lead singer of a band that they had back in the days before my existence. And he was like the bass guitarist in the band at that time. So, you know, them do more than play music, I guess. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Big up Saturday that my mother done it, you know?
Yeah, man. No, definitely, because I guess that really runs in your blood, because it's not from one side, it's from
both
mom
side,
and dad's side.
Yeah,
even your dad, did he get classically trained to play these instruments, or he just picked it up and started to play
back in them time, you know, it wasn't, nobody got like training, you know.
Yeah.
It was like, it was a way of life, so to speak. So you have to learn. Like, you learn to cut down tree by cutting down tree. So those days, like, everybody play music. Everybody want to play music. Everybody want to be in music. But you have few special people. Like my dad, no, he was special in the sense where he learned to play everything. You know what I mean? So he was one of those guys where people used to call to do whatever, and he used to tour and all of that, man. Yeah, man.
So you remember seeing all of this growing up in the house?
Crazily, I never grew with my father.
Okay.
Up until I was like 22 years old, I was a single child. I was a child of a single parent, which is my mother. My mom grew me. So growing up, I never grew with my father. I never hear much about my father in the early stages more than, yo, my father is a musician. You know what I mean? And him get himself in some trouble or whatnot. But at that time, it's just that I never connect with him physically or otherwise. Me just never know. You know, but me just tell myself, say, yo, me not have no father. I me just live my life.
Yeah.
But in my head, me know, say, yo, my gift and my talent come from somewhere. So even though me a tough up my chest and I thought, oh, no father, me still a give him props to him and I make everybody know, say, my father used to play guitar, my father this, my father that.
Yeah.
But when we meet up with him now, that's when the real connection make now. That's when, you know, me start him learn to play instrument. Because since me meet my father, since me link up with my father, when me say like, because I link up with my father actively like more than 15 years now.
Okay.
You know what I mean? But since then, it's like, I get so motivated musically. Like, to see him do it, how him do it, until me start learning to play instrument, till me own a band. It's like, me I follow his direction more after linking up with him. You know what I mean?
But that would make sense because a lot of times you know you have the gift. It's just once you link with where you got half of this gift from,
Yes.
you're going to start to move differently.
Yes,
because
because my
you
mother don't
understand
care about music like that. My mother live mommy life and big woman life and church life. My father actively in music same way. My father build rhythm same way and I do all of that.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
him, the link that it have to make.
Yeah.
And me coming into his life also motivate him to really take up back him thing the right way. You know what I mean?
You guys just needed each other at that time.
Yeah,
there.
man, definitely.
You understand? So, okay, you said you grew up with mommy you were a single child. What was it like growing up as a single child in Jamaica those times there?
Me poil, man. Me poil. And the crazy thing, my mother never have it for spoil me, but she find it for some strange reason. Me don't know how. She do everything there was for make sure say me good. So it's like me spoil with love more than anything else. You know what I mean? So as a single child, it's like my mother look out for me more than anybody else, and she make sure everybody what we know look out for me like how she look out for me. So when we move from Trelawny and live in Kingston, my mother go as far as start through our partner for send me through school. And them thing that whatever it takes at the time. Remember she used to work on banana chips factory. Yeah, we used to just go look, they go full up me on the banana chips, I go to the door, go eat till me hungry again, I go back eat. Yeah, man. But as a single child, as I growing with my mother, it's just like everything is all about Darrio. It's all about Darrio. Like, me can't do nothing wrong. Like, you know, even though when me wrong, she deal with me wicked, but nobody don't know. You know what I mean?
In front of everybody?
Yeah,
you're not wrong. But you sit behind closed doors, no?
Man. You see me? Big up over that, man.
Definitely, because I know usually people that grow up with as a single child, they're usually spoiled.
Yeah,
and when it comes to getting along with other people in a group, there's sometimes yeah, sometimes no. It really depends.
Yeah. Don't mean different still. Like, I prefer my own company most of the time, but I have a personality where people love. So I'm mindful of that and try not to be selfish with it. Like, you know what I mean? Me no say, or me the light of the party, me are the life of the party, me are the light up the room when I go in there. I try my best to be that person most times.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? When sometimes life in and it's hard to put on a smile, you know? But at that time, we try to make sure, say, yeah, man.
You know what it is.
Yeah.
But even music now, when did you decide to get involved with music yourself?
All right, see, let's go back to my father again. Telling myself in my head from a little youth, I say, yo, my father artist, my father does, there's nothing else for me I gotta do. And then my mother now, when me born now, me get the history of my mother, when she was even pregnant with me, she on stage singing, from a distance, like she was the community singer, and that's how she even meet my father, because she was a community singer where everybody knew. So it's like, you know, everybody I try to find opportunity, you know. So them hear about a man, we have a band. And them say, yo, you know, I know a little singer brown in my community named Antoinette, you know, she can sing, you know. And the man I say, hey, make she come a rehearsal. She got a rehearsal, she rehearse music, and she rehearse herself make baby. And everything, you know, music make and Darrio make.
Yeah, everything make.
Everything make. You know what I mean? Everything connect.
One time. And then from knowing that it was really your father and stuff,
so
that's
like,
what really made you
like,
start
me
to
tell
pursue.
myself, like, it compulsory. It's like, you know, see Bob Marley pitney them, I do nothing else but music. You know what I mean? Like, me tell myself, say, yo, like, it's like, it's my calling, but it's like, me look on the phone to make sure I don't miss my calling, you know what I mean? I'm calling, you know, but you have to make sure I get that call.
Sure, yeah.
Make sure I get that call, you see me? Yeah, so, but tell myself that, like, and then going to, when we move from Trelawny, come live at Kingston now, I start go Franklin Town Primary where I start meet some youth now where them a DJ and them a beat decks and them thing there. So it's like, you know, it start fuel my energy now towards the craft. So then leaving primary school, go high school now, when we go to Cloncarty now, me are the man, like me are the big artist at Cloncarty now, where Spragga Benz and Assassin them a come perform before me. Believe it or not. Anybody who used to go Cloncarty from 98 to 2003 can tell you. I mean, I say this, we say me hype or me bigger than Spragga or Assassin, so don't get it wrong. But just to show you, how me did have the school lock. Yeah. It was a student artist.
Because that's what you see when you're the artist in the school.
Yeah, man.
You lock it.
Ashi came there, set up all of them microphone and them stuff for the show. When Ashi done perform, forgot take down them stuff. Them said, no, we have the main act. Them I said, well, so I thought Ashi was the main act. I said, no, man. We have a student in the 9th grade named Darrio Johnson, name bad. Yeah, and them time me have songs with everybody naming at the school, like the popular people. Me I sing song about my teacher, them me I sing song about the principal, me I sing song about my friend them in a class. You know? So me was like the man in a school. So it's like at that point now, it's like there's nothing else to me do. Like everything else when me do a distraction. You know what I mean? That was music. Yeah. That was music.
I know Beenie Man was really an artist back then. What was it about Beenie Man that really made you say, this is the man right here?
All right, see, Beenie, you know. Beenie, from me tell myself, say, I'm music more and do. It's like Beenie was just the blueprint for me. Like Beenie, I smile through the whole performance. Beenie is a performer. I used to see Beenie put on the mic on the ground and do tap dance. Like, I witnessed that with my 2 eye. Like, I said, wow. This is one different dimension of thing. Like the video with Beenie and the man with the hands, man. Me I say, yo, this is nice. You know what I mean? So like Beenie do whole heap of things back then and then. Even him interviews them or Beenie used to interact and things like me used to say, yo, this does feel like normal. This don't feel like work. Like me I watch this and this don't feel like I'm another work, you know. That man just look like him just enjoy this journey. You know what I mean? So that was always the motivation behind why I say, yo, Beenie, my inspiration for the music. Is it me lyrically and them thing that Beenie used to just say something with me, I say, yeah. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
It was a good one. Did you ever meet him back then, like in school days, or it wasn't until later on? Yeah, he really met him.
Beenie Man, the craziest way in our school. Yeah. Like, I was the Beenie Man fan amongst the Bunty fans, because, as you know, them time, the mostly woman say Beenie and the killer, the man them say Bunty killer. But the man them was say Beenie always look a gallus them like me. You see me, I say, so them couldn't understand. So me always say Beenie, but one day, Arnett Garden and Tivoli have a football match, Premier League match, but at the time, violence, them used to play the match, those two teams used to play over Upper Camp. Them never have no home game amongst themselves. So them play Upper Camp. So Beenie support Arnett. So he came to Upper Camp. Cloncarty High School adjacent to Upper Camp. Back gate. So naturally, we are going to match. You know, Premier League play right next door to school. We're gonna, when we go there, we see Beenie Man and him friend them sit down over one. So naturally, me, I go wherever Beenie is. And I tell you this, I kid you not, when we went there, side Beenie, as you know, Beenie jovial. Beenie not go on no, star nothing. The man I see and say, yo, and I'm dead and my reason. You know what Beenie tell me that time, and I never forget. Beenie I tell me some of a song with Janet Jackson. Suku come out. Yeah. See the Bunty fans them a touch me and a poke me and a touch them one another like them. I say, I lie, I tell. You know what I mean? Because as me say, them a Bunty fan, you know. So when Beenie Man know, I say, yo, him have a song with Janet Jackson, man. And me, they well attentive, and I say, I know what the man end up do. The man starts sing piece of the song for we, you know. Whenever I got no money, she is still my honey. And I would there listen, nobody never believe. Like, me not tell you no lie, as a Beenie fan at the time, me kind of never really. As Janet Jackson.
But you just going along with.
This is Michael Jackson's sister, the man say him do a song with Z. So we stay, so we listen to it. That's the first time I meet Beenie. But, mark you, few weeks later, when the song and the video dropped, no Bunty fan couldn't talk to me. Not even the teacher them in the school couldn't talk to me. My artist see me and sing this a song before it dropped.
And everybody's seeing that he was DJing this same song.
It's if social media them something there, but me have that video there right now for sure, yo. When Beenie a DJ the song with him and Janet Jackson to me. You see me? Yeah, that was the first time I meet Beenie Man officially. The second time I meet Beenie was when me a shell down weddy one night. When me have the songs a school fee for floss and a dance, I heard the whole place and Beenie look at me and say one of the most important sentence my idol could have said to me. The man say, you remind me of me and I'm a prime. I say, wow.
It's like you feel like say yes.
Yeah, like after that, you now hear me say say otherwise than Beenie, my inspiration. Because if him say that to me, that does seal it. You see me I say? Because me said to myself, say, him are the blueprint, and then him go look at me and tell me, say, yo, me follow it.
Yeah. But you see, the thing with it is when you get that reassurance from somebody that you've been looking at, and you say, okay, this is how I'm going to do my performance. And he says, yes, you have it. You know what kind of thing that is to really, energy that is to give you, boss?
May I tell you, drive the man give me a piece of drive when the man said that too.
And I bet you, right now, if I link Beenie Man, he would not remember that at all, you know. It's just...
Him probably... And if him not remember Beenie, the man will tell us same member. Beenie never tell us same member.
But it's more time. It's not who said it. It's who they said it to.
Yeah,
it's how you remember what people said to you. I
may not have a song with Beenie Man after that. May not get a song with Beenie. Yeah. Big up Andrew. We make a producer song there, make it happen. Yep, from them time then it's like me tapping at the music now. Like the name Darrio become a name now. So Beenie start know about me now the right way now. Me start link up with him a studio more time. More time we walk up on the road in a foreign and me start live my dream now. You know what I mean?
Beenie Man. Big up Moses.
Yeah, man, big up Moses.
Okay, so you're doing your stuff. You're the big area artist this time in school doing your stuff. So then what was your next move? Because remember, East was where Wayne Wonder, Nada, Ranks, Fretty, Lexus, whole heap of them came out of East this time. You know?
All right, see East now, crazily, enough people didn't even understand. Say, East was just a place where me forced my mother to go live, you know.
What do you mean?
Because I don't come from East. I don't have no family at East. Nobody, me don't live above you anymore, and I have no cousin or auntie or cousin. Nobody out here for me. Or above you getting a thing. When I was going to Clancarty, one of my brethren named BJ said to me, say, yo, you know me have a DJ brethren out above you, bad like him named Chip Rai. And BJ bring me to above you, me and Chip Rai DJ upon a sound named Power Sonic. And the energy I get from the people, them, my mother would look somewhere for move at the time. And I tell my mother, say, come live above you. And we never get no place above you, so we get a place close to above you at a Bull Bay. So I saw me live at Bull Bay. Naturally, by being talented person that I am, people are going to start knowing me. So I become an East artist. See? So, me never live nowhere else but East. So, me just embrace it and just know, say, yeah, me is an East artist. Them time, the Europe and Ataru, them, I work with Bibi Gardner, Art of Love. Them time, the Bibi has spent crazy money in Europe, them career. But there was just this little youth in the community where just a shell down everywhere with no manager. No, I wear the same suit of clothes basically every week. One pointed more shoes. Who is this little danger youth? You know what I mean? So me was just the youth there in the East, I shell it. But the transition came when I meet somebody named Richie Flex and Papa Biggie. Great Papa Biggie from them time. Yes, linked me for Vice Pan a rhythm. Named Fireball Rhythm, and I went up to Caveman Studio to record. And my voice a song named Shubout. And my voice a song, you know, that is like when my professional career take off. Like before that, I used to do like some underground stuff, you know. You know, my always enter competition and
things. That boss, you're like the competition king.
Yeah, man.
When it comes to entering competition, boss.
Most people don't even understand. So, me enter even Rising Star.
Listen.
Me enter Rising Star. And before me could have opened my mouth, Anthony said next. Because that's true we go there. As a group. And before me could have DJ
KDK.
KDK.
Yeah.
Yeah. Me don't remember the name them, but KDK clan. Seeing I enter Magnum. But I enter Magnum, them say me have a song popular already. So I can enter that.
No,
yeah, because me just for opportunity.
So you figured entering the competitions was your way to really bust that would really give you the opportunity you're looking for?
All me I tell myself some more exposure. You know what I mean? And at the time, but then we have limited outlet. And like we have the Facebook and the TikTok them. At them time there, if you get 5 minutes per national TV, it good. You now walk out the road and at least 2 people in call to you. So that was the aim them time there for just try get myself on TV, get myself on radio, just get some exposure. I mean, me enter Guinness Undisputed competition, me end up enter one thing named Star Maker 2005, I end up get for perform a Sting.
Okay.
You know what I mean? God them say the best 10 person I get perform a Sting, so them invite you one place. And we DJ for some people, we DJ for one and then for 5 judge and then pick who them want. And I saw me get pan Sting 2005. Yeah. You see me, then I was impressed with my performance, so then me get pan 2006 again.
Oh, so you did back-to-back 05 and 06.
07 now, we never get pan it for some strange reason, but 08 now is when me start get popular. 08 now when me and Konshens are link and everything. So me start get popular 08 now, me did pan Sting in a one good time.
Like okay, so it's like the early time, 10 o'clock.
And then me have a girl, my girlfriend used to work in a Supreme Promotions. So, me kind of bubble my way in the late slot. Because she make sure say, yo, the boss now performing at the Star Maker segment, You see me when Soupy does a cut the can and them sitting there. No. So me perform on a good slot and all of that. put together if you create a little momentum for me going into the new year 2009, you know?
Okay, because before even that, I know, how did you get to Natural Bridge? Because to me, at one time, you seemed like you were a Natural Bridge artist.
All right, Natural Bridge is just like what I say. When we start link with Papa Biggie and Richie Flex, we start seek opportunities. So we up and down. We there Stone Love HQ one day, I say, Power Man. I play a song in my car. I say, you know, I'm loving from the idiot, yeah. And he must say, yo, we say, yo, that rhythm the bad and the song bad. And he must say, you know, we say, a Natural Bridge and rhythm. Can the artist go around them and go see if him can get on the rhythm? And Suku them and mix it and thing. So that's how we reach on a Natural Bridge. When we reach on a Natural Bridge, we sit down in the all area. I wait for Mark Pinnock to come out. Then I see Konshens come from out of the office and go into the studio. At the time, my manager never know who name Konshens. So me said to him, say, yo, Konshens that thing. But at the time, Konshens never really popular yet. Because
this was before Winner or he just got
right,
Winner?
That before the second Winner wave. I remember saying Winner was produced originally by Cash Flow.
Neil
them, yeah. And then Mark Pinnock re-shoot the video and all of that. So at the time when me for that student team, that was before the second wave.
Got you.
You see me? So when me said to my manager, I knew of him was because Macedon do a RE interview with him and him brother Delus, rest in peace, my G. Round I do in the park. And me as an artist, a young artist, I follow up everything. No ER no miss me, no on stage no miss me, everything.
Yeah, you want to know where everything is.
So me know. So I saw me tell my manager, say, yo. And I say, I say, yeah man, I start sing few line out a Winner and thing. And I saw now, when the manager come out now, Mark come out now, and we introduce one another. And I saw the power start making naturally, the manager go power the manager, and the artist go power the artist. So I saw me and Konshens really become bridging. And I saw the bridging ship start. When him and Natural Bridge pathways, it natural say, me and Natural Bridge I go pathways too.
Yeah. Because when you got there, was Mr. Pepper there already too?
No, Mr. Pepper. Remember, you know, Konshens, and if me wrong, I don't want nobody beat me if me wrong. But in the Natural Bridge lineup, I think Konshens was Mr. Pepper replacement. So when me got Natural Bridge go see Konshens, Mr. Pepper was no more at that place. You know what I mean? If I saw, because I've never seen Mr. Pepper at Natural Bridge studio.
At Natural Bridge, and that was where he got.
But me here say a Natural Bridge him did that. So automatically me go assume say.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Okay. So it was only, as other artists, it was only you and Konshens, or there was other people that were there?
Natural Bridge was a hub for artists, you know. Like when you got Natural Bridge, you see Mr. Lex, you see D Angel, you know what I mean? Everybody in the yard. Like out the door is so full. And then Kirk Food used to drive in the van with the food, come and sell everybody food. So nobody never used to leave. Like Suku War 21, World War 21 did it. Everybody used to do a Natural Bridge. Everybody used to do it.
No, I heard it was a state-of-the-art studio. It was a nice studio.
Man, nice studio, man. And some good production used to go on around because Suku them used to do the production for Natural Bridge and also for themselves.
So did you actually get to start recording over at Natural Bridge, or that didn't start
Take a sip before me tell you this. Yeah. So, we got Natural Bridge and one power struggle business going. So Mark Pinnock are the boss, right? Suku them are the engineer and the producer them. I don't know what was going on at the time when we found, but Mark want show we some of powers, right? So the first thing he must say, yo, to my manager, yo, don't worry yourself, man. You can't get your artist on the rhythm them, man. Right now we have a rhythm come out to, you know. How matter of fact, when Suku come, I make Suku voice him. Me there, I say, boy, I did so this easy. Like me just a no-name man out, I know look how long me I look for this opportunity. And me just walk come here in 5 minutes and man I gonna make the great Suku voice me. You know, me there optimistic, but me still a wonder. And Suku forward in. As me say, I don't even know what I want. Me and Suku bridging now and we talk and laugh about this all the time. Man say, yo, Suku, loud now me telling the yard full of people all the time. Everyone say, yo, Suku, more voice Darrio, like say the rhythm name Pat. More voice Darrio on the Pat rhythm, you know. Yeah man, a Richie artist. Suku goes and look around and say, no. I'm in the pan. Me I wait for him laugh now and say, yeah man. Man say, no. Yeah. So me the pan flat footed now, me feel small now, you know. Man say, so Mark realized that him serious, so Mark start push more power now, so hear him. Me not ask him, I tell you. Man say, well, when my voice him in the ear, don't say nothing. So me I wonder how me fall like me like this, I know, like, this come like one full on argument I go on right there with me.
And you.
You see me? Yeah. So, me still not gonna make that distract me because opportunity me I look so. As soon as Suku walk off and go in the studio, me follow him. Follow him, I'm going. I say, brother, I can't get the rhythm so I can make it. To him no one advise me, him man I give me the most attitude ever. The man say, we not do it like that around here, you have to come a studio, come measure song and voice. So I say, all right, cool. Him there mix Tifa song on the rhythm. So the man in the studio mix Tifa song. And I went to the studio door. And I take my phone, my little old phone at the time, and I record the 4, I must say 8 bar out of the rhythm, the boop, boop. Can you know Suku rhythm them? Yeah, boop, 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 boop. And I saw, me take that little part there and go home and build one song, say, some boy lying, both them have gal, them a waste them time. Only time them interact with gal online, but me get gal flying and me left them crying. See? Build that pan it now. Come back and studio the next day, I say, General, ready for voice, you know? Him frightened, because me not get rid of him. Yeah. So, me ready for voice. Him not tell me to listen to him.
Because he didn't mention
you're sure?
him.
You're sure? I say, yeah, man. Man say, go in the studio, man say. I get 3 minutes to listen to him, soon come back. I said, man, you stress me, sir. But me don't have my song, so him could have given me all 1 minute in a business. When him running back, I say, yeah, man, ready. I say, Suku, serious like a judge. The man don't say nothing to me throughout the whole session. Most of the man press record. And then the man press stop. Brother, remember me a young artist, no, me a do, you know, brother. All me there, I do a DJ, bass pan on me DJ on stage with me aggression, you know. You see, me and dog now, who is the nice member of 121. Everybody know 121 knows, so you have a nice member, everybody can approach him and talk to him. Him talk to everybody. Him have the meanest name and the nicest money in that group. So me and dog now walk in the studio and say, yo, you hear the argument what the man a sing? I remember, you know, this was 2008 in the farm. And me a sing say some boy lying. But them have girl, them a waste them time. Only to interact with girl online. Me way ahead of the time right there so with the argument. You see? So me and that catch a drift and come in and get super excited. And I say, yo, rah, rah, rah. And I saw Suku kind of free up a little bit and I say, hey, you want about man. But guess what? The song still never produced. Yeah. The song still never mixed. The song still never put out. The same December in the same year 2008, if you follow the reason, I'm going to tell you that year that I perform a sting in the late slap. That song, there was the song I get the biggest forward of the night. Yeah. The only reason why nobody not talk about me after that sting there because Cartel and Mother Clash that same sting there in 2008 Cartel and Mother Clash.
That was the
yes,
whole
man.
sting. Yes,
man.
So then everything got erased.
Yeah, man. Nothing else not happened before that. That night, then nothing else not that sting there but Cartel and Mother Clash. See it? But me can tell you this, when I come off a stage at night there, Suku was the first man who come to me and say, yo, him didn't even remember say I sang when him producing. The man just come tell me say him love the performance, you know. And me have to remind him say, yo, remember say I hear a song of the song I sing last, you know. Yeah. And that was the only time I record a Natural Bridge. I think Konshens did produce one rhythm one night time, but I never really do much production on Natural Bridge. Because at the time I'm forwarding at the thing, Mark did more focus on breaking cans than production, like than Natural Bridge, you know. But it was a family unit after a while, you know. Everybody look out for each other, and, you know. When it pop, it does pop.
Yeah, it does work. Because when you got there, was your name Darrio Danger when you got to the Natural Bridge?
All right, you know, say, I just, Darrio Danger, me think me the name so them time there, you know. Darrio Danger was my east name out of above you. I think once me start come uptown and me start do music uptown, I just Darrio me did I go by. Yeah. Because me did I get uncomfortable with the danger thing from a long time. Because me not dangerous, me not do nothing dangerous. Music now, me not sing nothing dangerous now my music. You know what I mean? Me just laughy you. As you quit, me start smile. So he just never did that, you know? So, but Darrio, when me start going Natural Bridge, it's just mostly Darrio me there. I think the danger thing they depend some of the like the Showboat record on my dope at Caveman. I just that was the last phase of it.
A Darrio Danger. I swear it might have been a show or just DJing. I swear I heard Konshens call you Darrio Danger several times already.
I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. I probably would have more in our parade capacity.
Yeah, it could have been dub plate. I mean, it wasn't nothing. It might have been on a show. You did something, but I swear back those times, I heard that.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Darrio. Okay, so then you leave. So then now you recorded that one sample. Okay, before we even leave, why Suku did not want to record that? Did he even hear you DJ anything?
No, I was going to say, I don't know what did that go on in internally. I feel like it was more me just walking or something.
Okay, so you just happened to buck up in the middle of everything. And I think
when me and Suku reason about it, like, I even what year with up on the ends I drink and it was the reasoning, because me I tell them it in a drama fashion. And I think it's the same thing what I say, it's just a thing what did that happen between him and Mark at the time where, you know, me just like collateral damage, like me just forward at the wrong time and me just, you know?
Yeah.
But it may not work with Suku after that, you know. Like, Can be vexed with him for years, you know. I tell you, for years, because of that incident, I talk to Suku. Even after the man come here, I sting and tell me, I'm mash up the place. I still not deal with him after that.
Yeah.
And that man used to come around with, you know, me and cans them, you know. And the man used to give the funniest joke, them and me bite my lip for no laugh, because I vex with him, you know. So more time the man come chat something, more roll a ground, tell the joke for you know, me all take out me some inhale and exhale some deep breath, because I don't want to laugh, you know, man. Yeah, man. But
not joking.
He just go through something with him, with Film Boss at the time, and me just did it. But after that, him link me one day and make me know, say, yo, DJ, you know, say, you have one of the baddest dancehall voice. Me have a rhythm when me feel like you know, Ray. And so we link up and go in the studio. We do work, because at that, me know you in the first place.
Yeah.
Work. Music.
Work. Got it. So then Konshens left because of whatever happened with him and Natural Bridge Camp. Why did you decide to go with him also too? Did you think at that time that would have been the best thing for your career?
No, you know. Is that even that was a no-brainer decision? Because as me say, my manager a big man, Mark a big man. Me I DJ in a age group. When the link up make and the connection make, and me and him are gonna cling more to one another, like in terms of powering. And we there in our studio create music, and we there on the road I got the shows them. So if anything for happen, me when I signed to Natural Bridge, me never have a home there in the first place. So my management at the time, him basically against whatever DJ do for make him and film people empire. So him more cling towards management. So it's like if stay there, so it's like me look like a traitor towards the craft of music. Yeah. Like
not the management side, but the craft side.
Yeah, because, and then guess what now? It's not like, say, the man going to say, all right, and me would want this either. Me don't want it to be a case where my manager go influence him, say, yo, make work with Darrio then for sure this. And man, I say, right. You know what I mean? And at the time, to the amount of money we involved and what tension involved, nobody now meds, nothing so frivolous. People are meds how them going to recoup back what them spend and the time what them last. And you see me? But at the time, in all of that we are going, music a generate. Like, traction I build with my name and the whole DJ name and thing. So all I behind the scene distraction, we still see the road to success right here. So you see me don't know what going over there. So you know what I mean? So me I cling to it. The reason why I come here so in the first place, me I get to do shows, me I get to go in a studio, me I get to fly and go do show. All right, so me there. You know what I mean? My manager and me at one point never even did a deal. We not depend speaking terms because him buy out so much I want to go on with DJ and field manager. And me buy out so much I want to go on with DJ and field manager. It's like, me depend on side and I say, yo,
artist versus manager.
Like, right, that's how I did them. You know what I mean? When me and DJ sing the song, say, do the thing now, please. Let me talk in a Japanese. And then me see that song, they start, shell the place now. It's like, one day we did that, we say, Father God, it look like I eat this now, you know. This look like the moment of me I wait for.
So that was the first one that took off for you?
Yeah, like, that one there was the first song when I start here, every lip on radio, like it hit worldwide. I take up my phone and I call my manager. Yeah. The time we're talking, I call him and come here and say, yo, this look like a hit now, this look like what we talk about all this time. Yeah. Call him and say, yo, Richie, right now, you know, I know you must see how I go on, you know. Look like I hit this, you know. All right, no, feel right, if you know, say, you know, the right side of my foot, you know, fam. So whatever, we are going with that figure tap now, you know. And that's so me and my management good back. And by extension, him and Khan's good to same way. And we just go our business and do music. Me and him never go back in a management and artist relationship type of work. But him always in my corner. You know what I mean?
Definitely, because even Do the Thing, that was recorded for Russia. Russia was a big producer at this time. Because it's on the Go-Go Club. Go-Go Cartel, Club. The Merital. Willie P, you guys were on it there. So how did you guys, was it because Konshens was a big artist this time is why he got to link with Russian, or how did that Russian link even get into play?
Honestly, I don't know what was the beginning of Khan's and Russian link. But I know say prior to me even linking with Khan's, I think them did already build a little connection. And then DJ build a name for himself. So as soon as him get more popular, Russian have more reason for work with him. And Russian did get bigger. So him have more reason for work with Russian. So them been a work like on the pretty on the outside. That rhythm there, I remember what the rhythm name. Cartel, Marie, let her go. So them been there work on that. The Go-Go Club rhythm now. That rhythm there, the rhythm that drop before we vice Panitin.
Okay, so you guys were like the second version of the
I don't
Go-Go
even
Club.
think we in a version. I think we just drop on the rhythm after. It's a spontaneous vibe. We're up on Boulevard Drive. me have a song where was an internal joke in a Subkonshus. And anybody from Subkonshus can tell you, Do the Thing Now Please was a joke. It wasn't a serious song. It was a joke. Like, me is the man where me sit down and build foolish to entertain my peers. Yeah. So it's like, the original version was, do the thing now please, girl go down on your knees, make me feel cool like me live on North Pole. And you see the next line was the main line of the joke. Me can't say it now because back then it was a joke. Now people are going to take that too serious. See? So, it was a joke them time. It was a joke where if me do it 5 times for the day, or 5 times, the man, them going to laugh. And if we have visitor, them going to pop up because them are hear it for the first time. So, upon Boulevard we drive and we hear Cartel song, good on, coop up, baby. And the dog said to me, say, yo, try DJ your fufu song pan the rhythm. And I saw me stay son, do the thing now please, girl go up, I will bust out a laugh. Like, we just laugh, because it just, as me says, it was
so
a joke.
it was just a joke.
With their Boulevard and Mullines Road stoplight. I remember this like yesterday. Anton studio, they were in a Glendale. Turn right, figure Glendale. The man beeline and go straight around the Anton studio. Right? So the man go in the Anton studio. We don't have the rhythm yet, you know? The man go in the Anton studio and call Russian to send the rhythm, you know? As him a Russian a virgin, say no, that's not nothing. Russian send the rhythm. When Russian send the rhythm in the studio, the man say, yo, you can't go say, no, girl, go to play this and them something. And the last line, I'm not going to repeat now, in 2026, the man say, we definitely can't say that.
Even back then, you know, you could repeat this.
Yeah. Right. So, as I said, it was an internal joke, right? So, we replaced the line with, the girl go down on your knees with, make me talk in a Japanese. You know what I mean? So, I saw that song they come about. When we're ready for record now, we did the way I feel out the song. Bad girl, real pretty devil, from morning. Enough people up to today, they don't even know say me sing that part.
Yeah, you see the thing with it, you guys, back then especially, you guys' tone, especially when you guys were doing collaboration songs, was so similar that, again, the average person walking around, they would have no clue. Like, it's actually two of you guys in the song, boss.
Do the thing now, please. Me not get no farmer success or traction after that song there as Darrio. You know? Like, as me say, back then I even know, enough people don't know say me sing that song there. Enough people don't know say me have a line in that song there.
It's all, again, the tone and everything, it sounds like it's one person.
And them time that it would have less thing were informative for give you those information. Like, them time they just have play music. Yeah. Now, you play music on something, if you click on it, it tell you everything about the song where you listen. You know what I mean?
Engineer,
yeah, so everything changed for the good, in a sense. You see? Yeah,
so then even though you as an individual, you weren't really getting traction on your career per se, that made everything bubble up more for the two of you guys at this time. Because you guys are on the road doing road at this time.
Yeah, man, definitely, man. So we start doing road, we start the tours now, we start traveling now, we start go big foreign. You know what I mean? The first place we ever traveled was Guyana, 2008.
Okay. Yeah.
Show name November to Remember.
Yeah.
Show name November to remember. And it just so happened to be the first time I ever traveled. Big up Cartel left on that show there.
Okay.
Cartel, Europe, Konshens, Spice, The Angel, and Bugle.
So this was pure big acts. You were one of the smaller ones.
Me even the on the show. Me, I was nothing. Me was Cans roadie. Me was nothing on the show. I was a roadie. Me not no sang them time in 2008. Me just
yeah.
Me not no sang them time. Do you see me? Yeah, man.
But that's your first fly out.
First fly out. I got foreign. I land a guy and I say, wait. Let's put more of this. What do you mean? Yeah. Where foreign look there? Oh, me see people close hang out on the front die line on the front. Oh, me see gutter water.
Same thing.
What is? Me never think foreign was this. Me think and I'm gonna tell me say no, brother. Then I carry that same way, but you're still that third world country, what on?
Just because you jumped on a plane, you feel say I'm foreign.
Cause me I travel with a travel bag in and not even a suitcase them time. I travel with the country bag that we bring up on the bus car actually. And maybe them place one of that I travel with, man. But yeah, man, that was the first time I travel and you know me start get popular certain way. My name start get out there and things start voice pan the same rhythm where DJ voice pan. Me normally voice 2 songs pan the rhythm. Normally voice a gun song and a girl song. So all I places them where him have a fire go and Darrio name dead a little bit.
Yeah, because you guys were voicing for whoever was hot at that time there.
Yeah.
You guys were voicing for them, whether it was a collaboration or single songs. You guys were voicing for everybody at that time there.
Yeah, definitely.
So you guys are part in everything. So when did the actual label now, Subkonshus, actually get formed now?
When the partings when the man manage a part ways now. You have no choice. You have to have a name to the entity. You can't have 10, 15 out with up on the road and walk up and I drive up and down, I fly up and down, I would just name the dog friend them. You know? So I saw now them come up with the name and label, register it and all of that. And me actually they end up sign, like they have to sign at some point. Me signed from 2013 to 2015. See me?
Okay, you're talking about signing. I had Konshens sitting down in the same chair here. He told me the reason you signed was because
Me did have two managers. Darrio come to me and I say, yo, my manager them not take film things serious. So me say to him, say, you know, I go do dog, I go sign you. Because the reason why they not take it serious is because they are not me. Like me not try earn from you. But them man they earn from me. So them not going to take things serious just because a friend thing and me introduce everybody. You know what I mean? So maybe if me sign you and it become income for them, or possibly income for them, they will probably take your work more serious.
So
Still
it's
never work.
a strategy type sign.
Right.
Because you didn't sign him to say, okay, this is mine here.
No.
Strategy, if they see he's really endorsed by me, hopefully they'll take it seriously
Right.
and we call
If they see that this is possible money, then maybe they'll see this as a business.
First thing, that half true, right? Like probably first 50% time. Yeah. Me get rebellious at some point because I say, yo, me I hear a reason as two bridging at the time I say, yo, the plan is when me get out there, when you get out there, I mean next, right? Cool. When you get out there, we see one bag of different something start happening. So I start get rebellious until me say to him one day, I say, yo, dog, you used to say the man them not giving us straight. But this was a week after we had a meeting. Where in that same meeting, him tell the man them say, yo, una not work for Darrio and Delus, you know. Una work for me. And then 1 week later, me I say, yo, the man them nah do nothing for me and agree with me like I never you tell them say them nah work with me. See? So anyway, him say part of the reason why all of this happen is because me no sign. You see me at the time when me hear the argument, they me believe and say, yeah, it makes sense. Like, all right, me sign because me no want the man them feel like if them do nothing for me. But who really are the man them? You are the man who have the money. You are the man who has pay the man them what we are talking about. So, the reason behind this because me not sign a foolishness because you pay them and tell them to do whatever you say. And you tell them say them not work with me and your brother. You understand me I say? So when you go forward and say the man them not work with me and because me not sign. See, just for avoid the argument and me want to get out there the right way, me sign. You know what I mean? But at the time, the man them bring one contract come give me for 7 years. Me for sign for 7 years. And even after the 7 years, them have the option to extend it for however much years them want. I say, wait, 7 years? Who would I want to tie me down upon them for 7 years? Like, come on.
So in yourself, you knew that 7 years was too long of a contract
Of course,
to sign.
like 7 years, not even a woman when me look, me not promise say we are going there for 7 years, much less. Sign a contract for 7 years. You see me I say? So me link him back and tell him, say, yo, this not look right. You know what I mean? And him go some woman link, who him for link and them go back. Me don't know what them did a plan now first. I mean, I go say that this was what them did I do. All me know so that contract they did look shaky in every sense. Me carry it to my lawyer carry it to a next lawyer. Because they shall say, yo, why them would I do this? You know what I mean? So them bring back a 2-year contract come give me. 2-year contract with normal clause, normal something. Me can vice for other people, me can do this, me can do that. I'm a sign. But part of the contract when me did pay attention to more than anything else was the part where say, them are going to get work for me and them are going to take 20% out of whatever work. After me sign, you see part where you say now, part of me tell you say 50% incorrect is the part where you say, after me sign, that was when them start. After me sign, the only difference is that them collect 20% out of everything what me do. If a man carry 15,000 Jamaican dollar come give me if he come sing a one little baby shower, best believe it's a Subkonshus going to take 15% out of that money. See? So if you be exact, them are going to take 3 grand out of
Yeah, of course. We're going to do numbers. Yes.
You see what I say? So, that was the only thing we started up. Now, that is the reason why the relationship with me and Subkonshus and relationship with me and DJ become sour till it mash up. Because me start get more rebellious now because me I say, yo, them time that me have school fee over floss in a dance and girls sit down and them sang their bubble. So booking start coming in now. So me start have a reason to collect 20%.
Okay, so Girl Sit Down was before you signed.
No, Girl Siddung was definitely. Everything was before me signed, man. Like Girl Siddung, me signed 2013. Girl Siddung come out 2012, I think. Early 2012 or late 2011. See? But after them time, after me sign now, like me actively have a career going like DJ with a foreign fan a show and me that Jamaica fan a show, him that Westmoreland, me that Negro, me that we actively
So now you have a name bubbling in the
bubbling
streets.
now. Mark, you know, me not say millions that come in for me. Because in order for millions coming out for me, at least some thousands have to go spend for me. Me can't just expect for natural talent alone for bring me in a day. You know, no marketing now go on. And all of this now is when me grow up more and have more sense to the music and the music business. Make me understand how much injustice did I go and how much injustice me did I get within the label.
So at that time, you just knew that something felt wrong. You couldn't articulate it, but it's just something.
Like me just
wrong.
say, yo, all them man and help me. All right. For instance, when we leave Jamaica go on tour, the man them were left for Jamaica for promote free music. Remember, I know him tell them say them not working with me nor Delus, them work with him. So who for music them are promote when we gone? Fee money alone. Mark, you know, where we going? Me I go there as a roadie. Me no dep on the flyer. Me not get paid. Me just a go. So within that one weekend, me no exist in a world, you know. Me no exist in the world of a human being, nor as an artist. So when me I left from now promote me, or when me I go now promote me, I not get no money for all of that. So me just a go. But at the time, me young, and me just a go on plane, and me come from way down a Chulani where we never know say all of this there happen. So if you first couple years, man, right now, man, just want to live it hard.
You just want to go.
And then now he's a smart youth, so him realize, say that, so him just give me the opportunity to fly, and me like a idiot just a fly and don't want nothing else but fly. Like me, I hear what's this. You see me, I said? So, the more me get popular and the more my name start build is the more me start get rebellious towards me label because me feel like me start giving enough reason now to start take me serious. Like the phone I ring and people are asking me. People want to book me. You know, I get booking call for me. If I no millions of booking, but you know, I get booking call. The first time I do a solo show was before me sign.
Okay.
2011, I do a first international solo show in a Belize, San Pedro, April 23, 2011. Right? I'm signed 2013.
This is 2 years before you
see
signed.
me? From them time, then me expect the man them to start take me serious because this is people up here how much thousands of US dollars for me come sing 1.5 song over Belize because them time them not have no girl sit down nor none of them song there.
Okay.
A school fee, me have a school fee is a Jamaica it song. School fee no pass airport certain way. You go like Bermuda and them other the Jamaica diaspora place them. But like the places that when me I fly up to the day and tour and them something, them not sing school fee. You see me I say?
Yeah.
But them time them go do a solo show in a Belize and nobody never take me serious them time in my label. You know what I mean? Like this was the first time me know little Darrio, me and my manager I fly first class in American airline got Belize. Nobody can tell me say me a star. When me land in a San Pedro, the man them have big feather banner and big banner across the road with Darrio picture. Me Darrio, me didn't even have so much picture of myself on my yard. Every light post have a Darrio picture. Every restaurant in the little car, that year the name San Pedro is small. And them drive golf cart over there as the vehicle. Not golf cart of a license and insured.
Pass.
Little picnic can't drive the golf cart. Me I tell you, I know golf cart that. And we call it golf cart because them, you know how we come from them use it as golf cart. And the people them normal. And them something, every restaurant
That's
sponsor
their
the show.
transport.
So it's like the first experience me get outside of Jamaica as a solo act, it's like me get to live it all. Like every restaurant want me come, they come eat food. People are call me and beg me to come there. Everything. When me perform for like 25 minutes, you know, mash up the whole place, you know, man. Feel so good about myself, you know. When I bring back that video, I go to Jamaica, you know, and show my boss at the time, say, yo, look here. You know what the man said to me? So make you sing the whole I sang them half key. Yo. Listen to me. It's all I want me do. Did prior to me going there and showing them, it feel like nothing. Me feel like me never got bellies. Me feel like me never just got headline. My first solo international show to all the man does. You see me?
Was it because this is now artists talking to artists opposed to artists speaking to manager is where you guys' ego started to get involved with the situation?
All right. At the time, me never even know what is ego at the time. At the time, me just a little country youth, just want success. So everything was enough for me. Everything when me get was enough. So this a little bit of forward when me get from them people over here. So nice enough. So when me bring it come show you, all me want to hear from you is, yo, good job. This is far from where I come from. You used to run up and down with a Harbour View with a Talent Friday. I belly is this here I come from. Whether you want to sing the song half key or not. You see me? If you hear me singing the song half key, all you need to do is say to me, say, yo, good job. But here we go on. We are going to work for the key something, you know, because I realize you sing for your song them half key. The first thing will come out of your mouth is the most negative thing where you can find out of the most positive video.
So it would have been if he had led with something positive and then gave it a negative.
Yeah,
it wouldn't have felt so bad at that time. There.
Exactly. Like, oh, you think me bring it to you? Because are you more hear from now. Everybody else see. All of the rest of friends them see them more hear from me boss, me general say, yeah, you.
Yeah.
You see me? From them time, I start realize say conflict of interest are going on say, as it relates to where I want to see me go and where my peers want to see me go.
How did things change, if anything changed, when Massacre came to the camp now?
All right. Massacre involvement in coming at the camp never changed much for me in a Subkonshus because first thing, Massacre never signed to Subkonshus. Smoke screen that. That a trick. Trick the world. Massacre signed to Corey at the time. Corey, for whatever reason, Corey never see it fit to push up his name as Massacre manager at the time because Corey's name did mix up with one bag of different negative things.
I remember
and then
he's just coming off of the cartel.
Yeah, and then Massacre want a fair shot. So it unfair fit, you know, because Corey did try it with a couple more artists after cartel and it never worked. So, I don't know if that was the reason why. And then at the time, Corey and Cans have the shoes, 876.
Yes.
So,
yes.
Corey talked some numbers to him. I don't know what kind of meet them all. Next thing I know, man tell me say, Massacre gonna start forward at the studio. But me and Massacre cool from before that because we do RJR cross country and them something there. So even one of the current kick mixtape them and me carried on a Subkonshus one time and played for Cans. And Cans respond to it and I swear upon everybody where me love. This was the man response. The man say, him now bust with a style and a cartel done bust with a style already, you know. I swear upon everybody where me love. That was the man respond to me. So years later when me see Corey trick him for bring, Corey trick him for trick the world, say Massacre signed to Subkonshus. Knowing say if Massacre break a man in through the Subkonshus smoke screen, him not have nothing to get outside. I don't know how him make the man convince him to do that. So said, so done. Him and Corey kick off about the shoes. Him and Corey are part ways. By extension, Massacre figure part ways. Him and Massacre never have nothing with Massacre part ways. He must part ways. Because him have figure where Corey, at the time, him signed to Corey. A business the man him a deal with. You know what I mean? So it never changed nothing for me when him forwarded at the camp because, as me say, him never signed to the camp. And Massacre is a man who is smart. Massacre forward with everything where him need. Him forwarded him engineer Razzie. Him forwarded him team of youth them when par with them guy road with. So Massacre never need nothing from Subkonshus. Massacre now got road with our team. Massacre now depend on our engineer. You see me I say? Yeah, so when the dog forward, it was normal vibe like a normal studio. All I will link up at the time, round at the studio yard. I build song, I smoke and I drink and a whole vibe. It was no tension, none at all. Like, as me say, it's not like me did feel like a me next. And then this up. Me don't see them people are with me already. So
okay, so at this time you're getting this vibration, these thoughts in your mind, so that you don't care about that part.
Them time them start bring my roadie, me start incorporate my people them in the Subkonshus thing. Some bring a youth named John Spee from out of East as my roadie. Then bring a next youth name lucrative him name at the time. Then Cans change him name to Javada. You see me I say? Yeah, big up Javada and John Spee. And Tamale is the next artist where Cans make me know where them man they become like my roadie, my team, the Darrio team now. Them man they jump out a moving vehicle with me see them, me picture them. You see me I say? So at them telling me start wise up and I farm my own little syndicate and I do my thing. But as for Massacre, Subkonshus and Ray, it was good vibe in that period, them, man. And when all of the little mix-up start going and Ray, that's when things go sour. But you know all of that, me did just sat in one corner.
Good. And because what I remember with the team, to me, it was Konshens the head, you, Darrio, because you were basically the first artist on the label.
Yeah.
Delus, the brother, and then later on down the road would have been Masicka. I'm pretty sure there was other people too, but those were the
Kamali and the West Side Man them.
but those were the ones that people were seeing and noticing. Okay, Konshens' second name come out is Darrio, or if his second name come out would be Delus because of his brother.
Yeah.
But as an artist wise, it was always Konshens and then.
Oh man, because as me said, that's how it was at the time, because when Massacre fought on Subkonshus, Massacre never as hot as him is now or close to now. Massacre was just an underground name where shell the place, where enough people know him and just a wait on the mainstream for grab him. You know what I mean? So without saying, after Cons at the time in a Subkonshus would have been Darrio, because the obvious to the eyes and the ears. You know what I mean? I put in the right amount of work for that happen. It's just that what me having in my head and what next man having a female are two different something. You see me?
And so a lot of times it goes without proper communication, and when egos get involved and all type of thoughts that's not communicated, all type of things happen a lot of the times. You understand? So, okay, you're good. You're doing your thing. You see, even Gal Siddung, to me, that might be, to me, that's your biggest song in your catalog. But the double-edged sword with that, again, a lot of people don't realize that you're in that song, boss. A lot of people think that song is just,
all right.
It's just him alone, bro.
Me can say, Gal Siddung, me get way more outside for myself as an artist than do the thing now, please. Because Gal Siddung come in at the new age where people get to see and read and know.
Had visuals, it had the music
everything,
video.
Yeah. But like Gal Siddung is my most popular song in my catalog. But my biggest song in my catalog, it would be Gal Siddung. Like, me have some song where when we read it, when we get the royalty statement, them, you have to scroll way down my page to see Gal Siddung. I tell you. I have to scroll way down, man. Me have one song named Never Let Go, where me see better result than Gal Siddung. Me have a song named Ungrateful. Me have a song named Girly. You see me? And in recent time now, me I do some new music, a song named Up Today. Thank God I'm up today. Those are some songs where me see better numbers, and I get better pay from. I have a song named Rock and Come In. When you go anywhere in Europe and say party, nice you feel Rock and Come In, Rock and Come In. Yeah. So, but Gal Siddung is a mainstream hit.
That's a different. Because remember, there's regions and there's regionals.
Yeah.
So okay, this is big in
This
Europe.
This everywhere. Gal Siddung it everywhere.
Right across the board.
Right. So that's why I say it's the most popular song in my catalog. But not the biggest song.
So do you find that, or is it just in my mind where a lot of people don't realize that you're really in that song?
With Gal Siddung, me not get that vibe there. Like, you're right, You're right. Because me see people we are introduce me to somebody when I know me by face and say, yeah, man, I him sing Gal Siddung, and somebody them respond by saying like, somebody think I can't sing that song there. You see me? I say, but me get that rare, like, me don't know if because me make that song that be like me, like my soundtrack, like until you see me, you go hear Gal Siddung sometime in that movement,
Yeah.
Because me used to shy away from it, because I say, yo, me have whole it more than bad song. I want to tune real. Me not just push this Gal Siddung, but what? You know much man born and live and dead in a music and never get a hit song from. And me have a big worldwide hit, and I go on like to ego. Me I go on like me afraid for say, I'm me. Yeah, man, I'm me. And me proud for say I'm me because of how that song they even come about. That song, I follow DJ go studio because improvise on the rhythm. 5 somebody them I put up on the rhythm and 4 voice already. Tifa, Busy, Vice Mill, and I think Fambo.
That was Washroom. I think those were the artists that were around Washroom. Yeah, man.
Poolside rhythm and them a wait for that. That Washroom them are uptown you, them technical, them write down what them want to do and how them want to do it, them structure them thing. Direction better than speed. So when we went there, me DJ and one female friend went there. naturally, like every other studio I go with him, me we sit down in my little corner just listen because I don't me them invite, but you know me I act as roadie, but in a me head me a artist. So me I listen with him. Him I listen with him and I made because I saw him go to work, him build pan spot and voice. And me get the idea. Whole heap of style I do, whole heap of style I try. And it does sound good in my ears, but me a DJ it with me normal Darrio DJ voice. So me a DJ like, whole heap of style I do, whole heap of style I try. Gyal I drop it on the ground with me normal DJ voice. But me nah DJ it loud. Me a DJ to myself, but I the tone when me there DJ it. And the dog look around for me and me laugh. The dog say, from me see you laugh, me know something wicked you find, you know. So him forward over to me and him say, me hear it, so me depend. Whole heap of style I do, whole heap of style I try. Gyal the dog say, yo, that bad you know. But yo, don't sing it so. Sing it like you don't want to sing it. So I say, what you mean? The man say, just lay back, man. Relax and sing it like you don't want to DJ it. And I say, Man say, yeah, man. And I say, all right. Whole heap of style I do what? Man say, yeah. We get excited. Yeah. The man walk over. Got the washroom studio have everything in a one like this room here, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, everything there. Control booth, everything. No, there's no external booth. So him fix up the microphone for me. But what washroom I thought this was a ghostwriting situation.
So you're laying down the reference.
Yeah. So me now gonna record. Whole heap of style I do, whole heap of style I try. Gyal I drop it on the ground and gyal take time and Siddung. Not even that. We definitely have a clean version. A raw version was straight. And them just loop Siddung over. So now people think of me actually DJ that. I know me DJ.
Okay, that was
Siddung. No, me don't know if me can swear upon the
Say it.
Girl take time and Siddung pan body. Girl you fi Siddung pan body. Grab a that was the only version me record.
Okay.
A washroom loop. Girl take time and Siddung. Girl you fi see me. So when me stay stand and record that now, I mean I record a galang, you know. Him think I ghostwriting I go and see him, you know. Till me say to him, say, give me a double track. I say, wait, what? Where you want a double track for pan demo? And I say, So now, break down in a communication now, you know, everybody in the studio walk on 3 different roads now, you know. See it? Man, I say, what? So me and DJ I say to him, say, no man, I'm my song, man. I say, I'm my song, man. DJ I say, yo, I feel him song, man, it's bad now. Man, I say, yeah. Everybody excited about the song, it's bad. Then the only man that excited, him excited, but you can see him uneasy, was the producer, Conrad. So, cause him have him plan if he read him. So the man I say, boy, you know, say, we have 5 people who say we are dropping the rhythm and so. In order for this work, you have basically like, a man give me an ultimatum. It's either me give the DJ the song, or me and him sing the song.
Okay, so this could have turned out where...
him alone sing the song.
That's how it could have turned out.
Or, you know, hear that song,
Yeah.
Or me just have be hard-headed and say, no, I want my song, I take my song and go somewhere else with it. That would have happened. See, me a part me general at the time. So you can't give me the option for either put me general in the song with me or don't voice. No brainer.
Yeah.
So as me say, me done already reach one part of the song already, you know. But a DJ a female like a thing in the middle, you know. The man they name try out there and show up and show out at all time. So at the time, the song was girl take time and sit up on body. Girl even sit up on body, grab a chair and sit up on body. And the raw version was still sit like a chair and sit down. You see me?
Okay, gets to the high part.
The man scrap that part where me put it too plain. The man say, squeeze me throat and sit down pan body, suck off me nipple. What the blood? We are say, I can't tell was the only man. Brave enough them time, never see them thing up on record. Yo, listen to me man, the whole studio drop a ground flat. When the man blur out, squeeze me throat and sit down, pop, suck off me. When the man say suck, the man go way up in one part like passion, but suck off me. I say, look at you where we are par with. Because I busted that she did just do earlier on. Me don't know she felt that line. Yo, listen to me, man. The man goes to boom, man. You know? And the song does get nicer. To me, like me, I say, yo, that song I didn't need it. Like with me alone, this was just a song. Like this now, half it.
No.
Song drop. It. For the first 1 week, everybody thought, well, hear the song my dog say, squeeze me throat and sit down. So me start worrying myself, no, say, boy, this is another do the thing. It's another do the thing, no, please, again, because everybody hear the song now, and whole thing they talk about is this man here where I talk them, something, so it's like me unknown and unseen again in another song. But after the smoke clear, the people who remember the smooth voice, I say, what heap of style I do, what heap, and I say, no video balance like a camera. But we can't go around this youth here. You see me? Right. So I saw now, that song you end up start do more for me from them time days, like, and then me never sleep on myself in that track. Yeah. You see me, I say, like, me really are gonna make the people them know say, yo, because this wasn't planned. You know what I mean? Like me just run up in our number one song because, you know, we just got studio like how me da got studio and me just be myself. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. I'm so glad sit down come
Nah,
on.
man, big song. Even these times here now, because you're the artist, Delus is a brother. Were you more, who was more partnered with Konshens at that time there? You or Delus, or all three of you guys were linking at that time?
All right. At some point in them time, the way that I try, you know, like the trio vibe, you know, because we have our promotion and paraphernalia with trio.
T-shirt and all of those
yeah, with
stuff
all
there.
trio of
Yes,
us funny.
bro.
Like we did a try because like me force myself in at the part, you know. Delus and Kans they apart from before them have It Song of Japan and all of that. But I think the bridgingship with me and Kans at the time pushed me up in the ranks. And then now my talent, now I'm a bad stage show artist, so it's like, yeah, me earn me stay certainly. But in terms of pairing, I think in the latter part now, the more popular DJ get is the more there was a disconnect start between him and him brother, me and him. So me and Delus start par closer. Yeah, and it start cause problem now because I really dog I'm a dink. He make me know Delus. You know what I mean? But me and Delus have more in common now. Like are we
Because he's taken off.
yeah, we
you guys
up on
are
the
still
ground
here,
now.
so then it just
Are
put you
we
guys
there,
together.
I do the cross country, are we, I do the grace show them, are we, I do the flow show them, are we there on the ground, are we, I see one end of there every day. You know what I mean? So are we there, the whole, the term, sub. Are me and Delus build that?
Okay.
Are we build that Panagia cross country? Subkonshus. It was a break. Them are gonna take when we are doing an interview and them say them want throw we out to a break and we all it together say Subkonshus. And when we watch it back on the TV, we say this is nice. See? So everybody just take a sub. You know what I mean? So it end up that's me and Delus start par closer now where we start do more music together, we start go studio together, we still got river every week and everything there. Cons now film thing, as I say, take off on a different level where him not see the need for do certain things again and him not see the need for be certain places. And then, you know, woman always play a great part in either your success or your downfall. Me not saying which is in this case, but me just say, you don't know the involvement of the woman then, you know, say, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
No, man, it's just one of those things. So then you're doing your thing. I think it was 2015. Everything came crashing down.
Yeah,
And you decided to leave.
Contract done 2015. Everything done 2015. Contract everything done. 2015 was the way I said the straw that broke the camel back. Seeing like me and the dog have we ups and down and the label have them ups and down and all of that. But we had 30 shows in Europe on a Europe tour. And I think this is the first time I ever said this publicly in our interview. We had 30 shows. Kans had 30 shows. Now him have 30 shows. And him say I use me and Delus as the opening act. On the 30 show. In that same break there, we had a postponed Africa show in a Juba, where we already got paid for. So what we have planned up is just use the Europe tour, left from Europe, go do the show in Africa. Seeing that I got some of my link them from Kenya. Say, yo, me I come a Juba and we can do something over Kenya. Me have a good following in Kenya up until today. Kenya is one of the first place me actually got number one with the song Ungrateful.
Okay.
So me will get a big money from Kenya, right? So everybody in the crew excited now because my life I got change after that trip, yeah. See? So we go so boom, the 30 show we are gonna do with the DJ in Europe, and me gonna say this. The agreement with we and the DJ after the 30 show done, him gonna give each away. Me and Delus is each away, you know. 3,000 US.
Well, 3,000 per show?
No.
Or
$100 show it boil down to. And him never communicate it like say, yo, me I give you $100 show. Cause him know say we would probably roll a ground. And everything when me say right is 100% true. Me I tell you. The man say I give you $3,000. And I think him not pay with fee tour. I think him just a give you a thing for dead. Like we just a go as roadie then. But we are gonna sing. We are like the singing roadies.
Yeah.
You know, we are the singing roadies with hit songs. Like we are the roadies with hit songs. So we are go up on the road and we are gonna be roadie and we are gonna sing. See it? And man say I give you $3,000. We laugh about it. Yeah. Do a little internal laughing and talk about it amongst myself and Delus. And we say, yo, when I think about it, brother, we are going to Jamaica do them time. They will probably don't make $10 in that time there. So this $3,000 brother, almost $500,000 Jamaican dollar that brother, I better we go to Europe. At least we're going to do what we love. And we're there on the G and thing. You know what I mean? So we look on it, we pick the positive out of it.
Okay.
And then now, the fact that we have the show postponed, it's easier to reach from Europe to Juba.
Because you know you have your own. We'll take the $3,000 now, but we're going to go eat some food.
Yeah. And then the $3,000 I'm give is not going to be the only money make on the road when we go on Europe tour. Europe tour, that's a show money. We are talking about dub and money. So we look on it, we pick the positive out of it. You see me I say, even though $3,000 foolishness tell nobody them to pay $100 per show. Anyway, are we done? So we take it away. I go. Mm-hmm. The man them confirms to them and give me a nice money for Kenya now. So I say, I'm like Delus and tell me, I said, Delus, it work out. I'm going to be a millionaire finally, Jesus Christ. I come back to Jamaica and buy a house, land, pig, goat, dog, everything I buy give my granny. See it? Yeah, you know, say, we're having some internal affairs. And one simple argument, you know. The man them have a meeting, you know, and the man them say, yo, DJ, big man thing, I feel like, say, when you have your domestic problem, them, you make it come over in like, so in other words, when you have a woman problem, you take it all power. Mm-hmm. See, that the man them are saying, I mean. And that was the disagreement right there, so now, you know. So you see, before the dog make him speech, the dog find out if everybody feel the same way. But you know, me was the only man when I said nothing, because I know me a big finger. You see me, yeah? See me, I know, me this, you know, I'm a big finger. See everybody else, you know, see them close to one another, I'm me this out there, so me a big finger. So me no want to say nothing, because me salt. So me did that, me not say nothing. The man just single me out. So Darrio, you feel the same way too. But you know, say me and the man if they talk back I'm back so that I go on. If me don't say me no feel the man have me as a biggie. But me really didn't want to say me no feel the same. Me just make peace reign in the car. The story I come up and this money I go make. Me don't want nothing interfere with this money. You see it? Mm-hmm. So me go, yeah man. The man say, so you want to go on now? Mm-hmm. Me did bring you and Delus for my tour for giving an opportunity to rate it. We still like couldn't appreciate it. So yeah, me want to do my tour. Up to today, nobody still can explain to me how we left from rightness to rightness. Mm-hmm. Know what I mean? And to me look upon it at that point and me get very serious at that point and I say, yo, this a box food out of mouth thing I know, brother. Mm. No matter what kind of argument we have as bridging and as artists and manager, artists, you can't forget say me have a daughter we need our father. You can't forget say me have a mother when need her son. You can't forget say me have my friend them where I depend upon me youth. Mm-hmm. So regardless of what we want have as a person, bro, you can't don't look upon them fact there, yo. You will make your money regardless if we go or not. We not gonna make no money if we not go. This we depend upon this to make our money. You know what I mean? So for you, just I make something frivolous like that, make you say, you nah bring we. Because collectively, the whole team of we were there in the meeting said the same thing.
But let's play devil's advocate. Do you think at that time he felt like almost like you guys were turning on him? It's like, this is the only power he has over you guys now is to say, I'm not bringing you. That's the only power that he has right now. It's to say, nope, we're not going because I feel like the whole of you guys are here talking, even if it's true, you know. I feel like you guys are here talking to me, so then the only power I have now is to control the food. It's like, okay, come or you're not coming. No, you're not coming along.
I know, say the true test of using your power, having power is have the ability to do something where you know can affect somebody and don't do it. Mm-hmm. Like, for instance, when Movada and Cartel have them Gully versus Gaza, Cartel live a par down the road from Movada. Yeah. Movada up the road, Cartel down the road. You feel like them man don't know enough man who would have got do things if them say that. Mm-hmm. Them know. But this is a real test of power. A man we can know say this is musical and we are all it. Mm-hmm. Me no want to see David hurt. Me no want to see a DJ hurt. That the man must say to them one another, you know, brother. I said to themselves, you know. Mm-hmm. See, but in the music space, we are going to fire beat things off for one another music. Mm-hmm. I same thing. No matter how much me and you have anything musically. You see, when it comes down to your life and your livelihood and your family and money and you going forward, me not going to think about power. That are not thinking about power. That are some different level or something that are not power again, brother. Mm-hmm. It left from power. Power is when you know say me have the power to carry this youth to go up on the road and change him life. See me bring people up on the road and change him life, brother. Other day me have one big idiot one in Europe with me. I go on like him a idiot and I have to look at him and say to him, say, brother, you ever think about this yet? Say, me can buy you a ticket right now and send you go back to your yard. It not affect me. It actually gonna save me money because me not have to buy nothing more for you for your rest of the trip. Like you there right just all a malice me to the point where you walk past me shoulder to shoulder and now say morning or nothing. Because me bring you up on the road and you walk gone with white man gone out the road gone smoke and left me the artist in a VIP by myself. And me page the man for that and the man a malice me. 2-3 days the man that he want to eat when me cook on the road. I say, well, how can I big eat that bad this? Then me have the power at that time, you know. You know what me have the power for do? Send him my yard.
If you had sent him back, you would have been the exact same person Konshens was being when he said you guys aren't going on the road.
You know what me do? You know what I did? Me sit down and me reason with him. That man spend the whole tour up on the road. Mark him in a deal with him now, you know. Me send him when him go home, that was it for him, you know. But me never send him my yard abruptly. Me go sub home and me reason with him and me say to him, say, brother, see the opportunity where you get? Enough man wouldn't do this for nobody. Would not benefit them. You on the road with me, you can't make me $1. You're an artist, but you don't have a song when nobody know. You barely can ride a rhythm. You barely can find key. You see me? This for beneficial to you more than me. Say, me don't know who you have in your ears where I tell you, say, me need you on the road, but block them. You see me? I say, that is the true test of power, my fam.
Okay.
It's when you abuse the power you have to try and mash up somebody's life, brother. Retribution and them things they will take you. Years later, some things we are reaching you can't understand. Oh. You see me? I say?
I could understand that there. At that time, were you still signed or the contract was supposed to be up at that time?
All right.
Right when you're going on the tour.
All right. The contract did up in September. And the show was October.
So really and truly, even though you would say his move wasn't the best move, really and truly he was no longer obligated to you as artist management or team. As a brethren, you're still obligated whether I sign or not.
Exactly.
But on paper, I'm no longer obligated. As of September, that's done. October, I'm not obligated.
But look on the part of it where enough people do overlook. We are advertised on 30 different shows. And then on a little internal reasoning, you got just we're not coming. And like you can erase the picture off of the flyer then. Like you advertise with fam. You know what I mean? Like there's certain little thing where you can't make ego and pride and them something there. And, you know what I mean? Like things would have been way better now if it never happened that way then. You know what I mean? Because we still in up Africa, you know?
Well, because remember, you still have a lot. It's now going to be harder to get there.
Guess what now? We know but I go Europe. So, I just say, the man them pay me half hour we and them did agree upon. That's the Kenya man them. And me tell them, say, I want to fly 2 people with me. The 2 people was my own DJ, Marco T, and Delus. So, if you look, the last show when me and Delus do together was a show in Kenya. In a Skylux nightclub. That show was a Darrio show.
And that was the last show that you guys done together.
Last fly together. Yeah. And Konshens was there too, you know, because guess what now? Remember, me tell you we have the show together where we get postponed in a Juba, in Africa.
He was on that show also.
He was on the Juba show. So we have the same management team, you know, so as much as we are chatting from what we are going, we still have to deal with each other for a little time, see, you know. So the Juba show, him go left from Europe and meet we at Kenya for we go to Juba show, and then him have a show at Zimbabwe by himself. When me tell myself and tell management I nah do it. Because naturally everybody would just do every show because all I would up on the road and we are family. So whether we get paid for film show at Zimbabwe, we are gonna do it. Whether we get paid for Juba, we are gonna do it. Whether I get paid for Kenya, whether we just do the show them. It so happened that's we do the show together in a Juba. And then me and Delus do the Kenya show. And then him one perform in a Zimbabwe. And that was the last time we exchanged words. Last time we see one another in a one setting. Like, yeah. After that, Subkonshus. You see me?
Yeah, that was the end of that. So then now, you learned a lot of stuff about the business. You had a camp. When you left the camp now, what was it like being on your own now? Now I'm by myself. Did you figure it out? It was hard. What was it like those first couple of months being on your own?
But being in Subkonshus was like being on my own, you know. Because remember, some day in our camp where the leader tell them, so them not work with me. So, what happened when it official now say me not part of Subkonshus, I register my label, Fyah Force Entertainment.
Oh, so it's from back then you registered.
Yeah, we used to call it Project Darrio movement at the time. Because them time the trend was team this and team that. But me never want to say team like everybody, so I said Project Darrio. But then that would have just restrict it to just like be me, like everything about me. So I form my band first, Fyah Force Band. And so when I register my label, I decide to register my label with the same name of the band. So it seems like the band formed from the name of the label, which was the other way around. You know what I mean? So when me step out on my own, that was when I start like Delus passed 2016, God rest him soul. And that was a moment to change my life. Yeah. See?
Okay. 'Cause I was going to get there after, but let's get there now. Because remember, I think you said you left October. Delus had died, I think it was June 2016. That's like 8 months apart. He's now more your link now. You're not talking to Konshens right now at all. So when you found out that Delus had died, did you link back Konshens or you guys were still holding hard in at this time, you know?
All right. I'm going to be 100% honest. So when Delus passed, it was a case where me and Delus apart. When I say up to the day when him passed, me and him go somewhere in the night. We are judge for a competition, a young artist competition at Augustown. We was the guest judge. Right? So when Delus passed, me actually on my way I go to the place. And when I get the call from Javad, I say, yo, it's like I never believe. So I tell him, say, man, come up from phone, you're foolish, I'm hang up. But when I hang up, I see the amount of people when I see I call me, and the type of people when I see I call me, I know some people call me on a regular. So I say, yo. You know? So it's like me just a drive with me, I go and I cry. Long story short, that was the only time from me and the dog kick off, me I said to myself, so yo, you know what I say? The only person me that want to hear from right now is him. And me I said to myself, say, yo, probably only somebody that dog don't want to hear from right now is me. See me? I'm tell myself say me go link him, right? This was like the day after, like 2 days after. It was in the same week. I go up on IG. Because at that point when I have number featured already, you know. I go up on IG. I tell you the reason why I never bother send the message. When I go up on IG and click on the dog page, I see the dog post a picture in one plane, sitting in a first class, with a caption. I say, oh, so hard and this and that and look how me have to jump and play no and ray and blah blah blah. Why? That made me feel the way I felt because this is a show where him go do is a show in a Seychelles. See,
that's an island in
off
Africa.
the coast of Africa.
Yeah.
All that show they come in, a man named DJ Madman, saw him name on Facebook, link Delus, and say him want to do a show with Subkonshus. See, Delus have to tell him straight up from beginning, say, yo, you know, you never can get Darrio Konshens for the same show right now. So if I say, boy, him we just work with the two of them. See, Delus was on the show. Delus get a nice piece of food for the show. So if you see Delus pass the week of the show, or you still go. That kind of rubbed me away because me know so the whole of Africa would understand if you say now come again, or it a postpone. You know what I mean? So I felt like to how me did feel about the passing of Delus at the time and to how nothing what me normally do, me couldn't do. Like me was non-functional in every way possible. And then for link the person when me think I suffer more than me. For see that gone on a plane, gone do a show right now. All if him a cry in a plane or him a drop down on the show, me nah know. But me a see is what you show everybody else. And me ain't a friend, so me not like me dead and say, yo, you mash up, but then you post this. What me a see is what everybody a see. So me just a say, I'm still far from the brother, you know, honestly, you know. I mean, just hold my own. You know what I mean? And over the years, me will see him doing like a shaky something them and me will say to myself, say, boy, if I ever see that boy right now, me drip up and say, mate, what you do? You idiot, man? Go in the studio, go sing some song for you girl them. You see me I say? But me not see him. So say you don't know him.
So you're saying from 2015 until 2026, you haven't seen him, boss?
Like see him would have be like, one time I got unruly clash in a Kingston. I pull up, when the man them come out from security, them come out from shop my park, him did stand up and wait for somebody and it's like him the stand up side security and pull up. When I'm going to see security, him say, yo, go around this up. That little glimpse, them glimpse him. And if I can remember, me no remember glimpsing nowhere else from that. Like, yeah, like, remember me is not a man where go out and hang out and them something. And him and I see him thing too. So, the only way me go see my list, my guy in my yard, I'm come to my yard. Or we got the same studio, which we have one studio.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So, we don't really have no reason for book up a studio.
So you say that the situation with Delus really mashed you up at that point?
Yeah, man. Wicked, man. Wicked.
Is this personally and professionally also?
Yeah, man. Personally more than professionally. Because I know like we are a group. You see me I say, yeah, missing my song, him sing for him song. But personally, this was a person, like, we come closer and closer every day because we have more in common now and we are fight one struggle. We are fight one musical struggle where we understand each other and the struggle. You see me I say? So, it's like, me get accustomed to hearing from him every day as to what the plan for the day is, or the plan for the week, what we are doing, what happen, or what the next opportunity where you get, or him want to hear what the next opportunity when we get, what your growth. Him did start play the guitar at the time. Okay. So it was that thing when me and him used to talk about enough, yo, what you do you know? You know? So we become close. So when him pass, it's like it affect me in a way where one of my girlfriend at the time, they have to fly me out of Jamaica, got Antigua for like a week. She put me in a hotel for stay. And for just my clear made, like, cause my house did I remind me too much of the dog. Cause the dog used to sleep on my yard too, you know. Yeah, man.
That's how close the man really
and
said
then,
it to
whenever I'm have problem down a female yard with female lady, him come sleep on my yard. Cause a man have him license gun. You see me and say, so you know a debit trunk. So he's a man who come sleep on my yard and cause me we have a whole heap of space up there for everybody. So we just dead it. You know what I mean? So when him pass, he's like so much things remind me of the G. Like up to today, if you go in my house right now, you see the place, you see part of the house when funeral program there, like the picture and something. Below that is a slippers when wear come here the last time. And below that is another whatever I did have the last time come here, dead in the yard right now in the same in one spot put up. Like a museum vibe. You see me I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Me I tell you, man, it affect me, man, tremendously, man. Believe me, I tell you, man.
You see, because you see if he went to sleep and he died in his sleep, he was sick, you could understand. Even if somebody murdered him, it might have been a little understandable.
Watch out. You see, when it just happened, me used to talk like you say, boy. We prefer that did happen, so we could at least have somebody for eat, or have somebody for blame and rare. But after growing up and getting more mature from, it's just the facts of the dog not there. That are the hard part. No matter how him did one go.
Whether you get licked down by car or whatever the case.
The facts that me can't take up my phone and call you, brother. Me no business how you want go. Cause if it was a man that kill him and me a cuss the man, me wouldn't have cuss him way to the day. No, it's just so keen say, yo, my brethren really not there, you know. So at this point, the man we would have do it, would have probably dead already and me still would have feel the same way. You see what I said?
So you had to grow through it to really understand and see it from this point of view.
And up until today, when me meds the dog deeply more time, me I say, me still don't understand the logics behind him departure.
So you've never seen any signs, anything that you could think back and say, okay, this little thing here?
Nothing. Because guess what? As me say, we are fight similar struggle. You know what I mean? And we talk about everything. See me I say? Everything. We share personal information. Where a man would have feel shame for telling Bridging because I'm no wine man in Bridging kick off and a man I said, dog, remember you never have this one at a time, me and him that. You see me I say, and the same thing with him brother, you know, believe it or not, as much as me and him no good now, you know. That was the relationship we have, you know. We're very close. I'm a dog, like, you know. Yeah. But the other thing, it kinda, you know, it rubbed me a different type of way, man.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, I know you even put out a song for him.
Still can't believe.
This is where you're singing now.
Yeah, man. All right, see the singing part of me now, Delus was the man who motivate that part. Delus always said to me, say, yo, he said, any day you learn to use your voice what you have, a wickedest thing, man. And it's so happened that the first song I actually sing was a song I sing for him as a tribute to him past.
Because he was the one encouraging you.
But I didn't never plan that way there, but me couldn't express myself no other way. You know what I mean? Like, with the situation, like, why else me I go up on a track and say, yo, me virgin, me sorry, say, you know, they are rare. It
doesn't bring the same energy, the same vibe,
different emotions. It's like saying, I know where to start, I know where to sing about. It have to come from a deeper place than the regular Darrio songs, them, man. Yeah, man. Trust me.
No, man, you as an artist and professionally and personally, you've been through a lot of ups and downs in this business. You see, this business, boss, it's not an easy
Yeah,
business.
man. Sometimes I think the business is a business with me, man. May I tell you? Because even though enough people will see me and say, yo, Wagwan Darrio, stop the music. Or, me not hear you. And me, we ask myself, so, which platform them listen to music? Because when me upload a song, it go Spotify, it go Apple Music, it go Amazon, it go Deezer, it go Tidal, it go everywhere. So if you are telling me, say, you're not hearing no music, I'm going to tap the music, then when you listen to your music.
But remember, two things here. When it comes to uploading to a platform, these platforms get hundreds of thousands of visuals and songs per day. Second one is something you said to me earlier in the conversation. You see, marketing and promotion when it comes to this business here, you could have the greatest song ever. If you're not putting that
Market it.
behind it, boss.
But guess what now? You're 100% right. That me now is my responsibility. So when I see somebody, me now go just blur out that to them first. You see me? Because as me say, we live in an age now where if you truly a Darrio fan and you love Darrio music, you go look and seek to find Darrio music. You go type in Darrio now in your search engine because this is one of your favorite artists. This is somebody where you want to hear him voice. You know what I mean? It not have to be a paid promotion for come up in your feed or your algorithm or your for you before you say Darrio I do music same way. Like me have my artist them when me rating. Me not have to wait for them for drop a song.
Go search.
Me go search my artist them. Dexter one of my artists and I think when Dexter go drop him new song them for him girl them, you think of them time me know. Me is a man just go look type in the dog name to see if him have no new song. Beenie the same thing, Cartel the same thing. Chronic Law is a man where used to drop song every day. And if a day pass I me no see one, me type in Chronic Law name because me want to search. Him not have to be a market that song there. Is me want to hear one new dog have to say no because this man come like him say everything already. You know what I mean? I saw them think they go, but me not say me need to do the marketing thing better, you know, because trust me, I would have much prefer sit down and have to search my music. But until me figure that part out, if you love me and rate me, just type in my name.
I'm pretty sure you have 10, 100, even 500 people that would search and stuff.
Yeah, man.
But the masses,
the mass.
the masses, you have to be in their face constantly 3, 4, 5 times a week.
And look on the irony in this now. If me for do something non-musical, go viral.
Wow.
Them same people there, I got type and find the song. The same thing what them refuse to do, no, you know. So it seems you see it's possible and it can be done. Just work with me the people, man. Meet me halfway, no, man.
Welcome to the digital age, bro.
Yo, meet me halfway, man. I have too much things to deal with, man. Right? I think it easy.
Listen, it's hard because I know you've put out 3 bodies of work. One was a reggae and 2 were dancehall.
All right. One was full reggae and 2 of them mix up. Yeah.
Because you're a special type of talent where you're coming from a place where artists can do reggae and can do dancehall. Now it's more kind of separated where, okay, you're the reggae guy, you're the dancehall guy.
Yeah.
But you do both, especially when I see you on a show, bro. You see, to me, that's one of your strongest part as an artist is a show, bro. Bro, when I see this man work, I said, if there's one person in the crowd or there's 10 people, 10,000 people in the crowd, boss.
Them I get it, man. Them I get it like no difference.
Holy.
Yeah, man. You see, sure, I'm one of my favorite place, man. I love the stage, man. But you see, when I say earlier about the reggae, you see reggae, like, busy. Big up busy signal. Busy is one of my inspiration when it comes to that aspect there. Where I tell myself, say, you know it's possible to do reggae and dancehall. Good.
At a high level. Yes,
yeah,
man.
like, now, me kinda not master it, but me there one spot now because me have a song named Take It Slow out now. See? It's a reggae music that. I have a song named Take Your Time out same time. It's a dancehall music. So it's like, but it's good and bad because you have people that say, oh, you're confused. Like, make up your mind. But it's art and it's expression. It's music.
That's what it comes to. Listen, all of the greats, before you're from the 90s and 80s and stuff, Bounty did reggae and dancehall, even though, yes, he's more of a dancehall. Beenie Man too, Bojo too. It's all of them.
Like people remember say Caperton. You remember who's Caperton?
Listen.
They remember who's Sizzla Kalanji.
Yeah.
They remember say the man they give you all that Darrio thing album and nearly baptized Jamaica.
Bro.
And still pump up her pum pum after that. You see what I say? You see me?
Yeah.
So it's like me now, like me don't want to be back scene anymore. I feel like I want to find that song or if you make me reach on the mainstream where my other songs them can, get the highlight where them forget. But for now, until then, I just do music based on how me feel. You see me, I say, me feel like more drop a reggae, because me have my own studio, me have my own label, me have my own band, me have my own producers them, right? That is all the recipe if you make good music. So, I'm not going to wait upon the masses of people to tell me, say, all right, Darrio, you're ready for you now. Oh, no, I go just ignore till me knock down one on the door. Constant drip of water, bore hole in a stone. You
And
see me, I
then
say?
once that song,
Yeah.
then they'll go back and see everything.
Me tell all of my artists, virgin them say, oh, me operate like me out there in the mainstream, So me I drop project when at a certain time where me feel like the people them need something else, even though me not have nobody I get, even though me right now have enough consumer, me I behave like, yo, the world I wait on this project here, And that's how me have to do it in order to get good quality, because if me I do it like, oh, it actually the reality is where I probably 500 click up on it.
Yeah.
If me do it with that mindset that the music quality gonna be like a song where 500 people for listen.
Yeah.
When you listen to my preliminary EP, the Reggae with Love EP or the Lyrics, Melody and Flow EP, you hear quality music where trained musician be rhythm them, trained master and engineer and mixing engineer work on the project them. No short change, no one man now do everything because I'm a bridging and I'm not for pay him. It's like real people, big up my Fyah Force Band men them. You see me? Right now, me have a 4-track EP I drop any moment now. That's summertime. Me just want to do music. And
Okay.
now it named Intimacy, the foreplay.
Yeah.
See, remember 4 songs? It named Intimacy, the foreplay. So now 4 songs for play with. Or then I play with it yourself. You see me? And this is just me just get up and say, yo, me voice one girl song when nice and sexy and smooth, and me say, this I do a EP there with Intimacy. That's how it created.
Yeah.
Me call my graphic artist from Tanzania, because my graphic artist live at Tanzania. Me call him, me say, yo, more artwork for Intimacy EP me I make. More want woman to go up a man and a kiss, or lay down in a bed or something. You know, fear of me upon it. And that's so me do my thing, because I know me make up my mind say me I do that about 2 months ago. And it not done yet, and a 4 song.
Yeah.
Because now we reach the production, the quality part now where the rhythm them have to make. The guitarist have to play what him a play upon it. My saxophonist have to play what him a play upon it. My keyboardist have to put a some me make music. You see me? And it come with love, because all who involved love it. And all who involved I put them all in it. So I know just Darrio expression alone, yeah, I get now, oh, this is how Darrio feel. Darrio, wanna get it when Darrio feel like. You see me? I say, but, you see me?
You know what you are in real life and in your music? You're an amazing storyteller.
Yeah.
That's where you really come down. 'Cause when you even listen to your music, how you pen them, listen to all like songs like Friends with Benefits, and those things there. When you listen to your music, they're well constructed, and even listen to your drama, man. You just love it.
Yeah, man, Miss Lou grandson. Yeah, you really. Yeah, man, that's true, man. A life, man. I'm experienced enough. If you can't tell the story there. You see me? I say, yeah, man.
Yeah, no, man, you're good. Right now, you're in Toronto, Canada.
Yeah.
When we're talking downstairs, you said the last time you here was 2015.
Yeah, Caribana 2015.
Bro, that's 11 years right now, bro.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yo.
What could Toronto expect from you tonight? It's going to be 410 Links, How I'm Living, his birthday. What are you bringing to the table where Toronto? Because remember, the generation changes every 10 years. So this is a completely new generation of people.
Yeah, all right. You see, what I'm bringing is what God give me. So that is why no matter how much change a generation go on, me not have to worry myself. It's either I'm not going to take it or I don't. Me not going to alter what me I bring because of generation and shift. You see me I say? Me still not going to sing no songs so me I spit in a nobody throat. Me still not going to... You will never hear one Darrio song will say I get head. See me I say, if you hear that, a long time that before me conscious, before subconscious.
Or if would you? But I'm pretty sure you would sing those songs. Like I said, you have like Friends with Ben. But as an artist, you know how to put some clothes on the argument.
Yeah,
You understand?
It's like and everything and music and everything for music like and everything like just like how me wouldn't come reason with you move camera move microphone and we are reason. There's certain things I'm not gonna tell you. And your business. So why me gonna tell millions of people through a song? Like that's how me pre. Like me want to keep it as musical as possible and keep it as, what me just say now? I wouldn't say clean because I'm a man and me get dark more time.
Yeah.
But it have to make sense. Even if me go sing a slack song, it's like, all right, case in point, Cartel. One day me tell Cartel say, he make me pass my exam. Me get one question right in our exam. And the man I wonder outcomes. I in the sky, me tell him that on a plane. Me see one question I say, you know that question I say, yo, the word pastel, identify what it relates to. And in the multiple choice say, house. One that say car, one say color, and one say like road. And me circle color. Not because me know the word pastel, but Cartel say, rise the bumper clot askel and boy blood run red like pastel. I swear upon my life, and thus how I saw me associate the word pastel with color.
It was, you heard it in the music, so it...
You see me? And that was a bad man song where can't inspire me to do nothing or be nothing. But me pick the one positive out of it.
Yeah.
I saw music, that's how I want it to be.
You want to have something to give the people positive.
So that's what me I bring to the table. Me, like, come out, like, one night I'm a performer steak a sip, and it was an amazing vibe. Like, the people, like, they must say, oh, him voice biggie, him charisma, him personality, and Ray. That's just me. No matter which generation, if you like music and you like entertainment, you're gonna like me.
Yeah.
You're gonna like me. The moment it shift from entertainment being entertaining, then them not gonna like me.
Because that's what you are. You're entertaining entertainer.
Exactly. So once it changed from that, where entertainer have to be serious or be something different, or you know what I mean, or just entertainment become now about fashion, then me I probably not exist. Because like a while ago, me just go buy this to come here. So like you see me have on everything else before this. I when reach I buy this shirt and I drive come right. So this is not fashion. Like, you can't do that. As an artist, you have a plan. Me is not the fashion artist. Me is just an artist.
Entertaining entertainer. You get it. No man, I get it. So then Toronto's you're gonna entertain.
Yeah man, me roll out on a artistry I get. You see me, I say full-fledged artistry. If you love stage show, you love artists, come out, come watch me. You'll not regret it. Yeah?
It's going to be a big vibe. Two last questions before I get you out of here. This freaking very transparent and very visual conversation.
Yeah.
But everything you spoke about, I felt like I could put myself in the story, and I'm seeing it the way you're seeing it.
Yeah.
All right. Doing your stuff here in Jamaica, doing a lot of stuff. Why did you decide to migrate?
First thing, who tell us I'm migrate?
Okay. You're in Jamaica, you're doing your stuff and all that. Why did you decide to migrate?
But I ask you, who tell us I'm migrate? First thing, me not migrate.
You didn't migrate?
No, me not migrate. See, me not migrate.
Okay. Are you living in between two countries?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we're talking. Me live partially in our next country, but me still live in Jamaica actively. Me still have my apartment, my car parking in my apartment. It's just that me not have a active buzz in Jamaica right now. So it's like if I go to my workplace every day and I not have no work, it's pointless because nobody not gonna pay me. My boss not gonna pay me if I not have no work. So it's like being in that workplace in Jamaica, not getting any work, still depending on places outside of Jamaica for pay me. Might as well me bring myself and my music to those places.
Where it's easier to travel
from. And you know what I mean? So that is why adding another destination for me or home for me thing is important. But for say migrate, no, migration is more when you just take up yourself and your things and your family and just go now a different country and dead. I've never stopped traveling back and forth. Nobody never see that at me yet.
Because the band is based in Jamaica.
The band is based in Jamaica.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So me still move freely that way because if me have a show, like me do shows in Jamaica and don't get me wrong, you know, people do book me in Jamaica, but it's not enough for write home about.
Because I remember seeing you, I think it was either last year or something, I seen you on Frankie Music Show.
Me do reggae, essence of reggae 3 years or 4 years now.
Yeah.
Me I do that consistently. You know what I mean? Me have other people who book me for like private event, like insurance company and them look at things there. Because the band entity is where it kind of give me more uptown certain vibe, like corporate.
Yeah.
For our use a better word. Give me a corporate plug. So it's like me get a whole heap of show based on that. And that was the desired result. That was why I formed the band, because me I say, how long me I go run up and down with these tracks? I thought about girl take time and sit down. With the band now, me get to do reggae at its finest. Me get to play my guitar.
And you get to showcase your your talent in a different ways with a band, you know.
Yeah,
You
definitely.
understand? Where you say, okay, bass man, just play a bass.
Exactly.
And then they're doing something different. As you
And
said,
as
you
an
see Beenie Man
artist, you
tap
learn,
dance.
you learn more music. You be more musical by owning a band. Like I start play a guitar based on the fact that I form a band. Because I form the band, I'm here the man them are communicating in some way where me can't understand. So it's like them 4/3 very progression. And I say, what the hell? What? And I never till me start playing my guitar. Me start understand music more. Me start understand the changes and the feel and what them they are talk about when them say, oh, them don't want that song, you follow that song, yeah, because the change is like the progression and the key and the mood of the keys, them and them something never important to me until me start play instrument and learn more.
Understand.
Yeah.
You know
So
what I mean?
all of them something they put together right now and mold me to become a household column round here. You see me?
You see.
man.
So the last one I have for you, because we had a great conversation, and a lot of what we spoke about was the beginning time when you started out with Konshens and stuff right now. If Konshens was supposed to walk through this door right now, what would you say to him?
Uncle Guinea. Uncle Guinea is an internal name what we used to give him. Give him and Delus that name there. Cause anybody know anybody know what the main attributes of a guinea pig. I know a guinea pig love do. A rabbit, then you know why we call him Uncle Guinea. You see what I say? Yeah. We don't have to say that. We don't have to tell you now, spell it out. You don't know when somebody say you move like guinea pig? Yeah. So yeah, man, that me that's it. Because I'm tell my friend them that I'm tell myself that all the time. Even my lady me tell that. Me say, yo, like a big man now. Like this was from 2015, bro. Brother, what me gonna do? Carry this in my heart and on my mind for the rest of my life. Like, bro, get over it if you don't get over it yet, brother. But if me see you tomorrow, me gonna say, Uncle Guinea. If you know answer, you walk pass. You see me I say? But it's not like me gonna see and say, yo, come in, give me a number, me could be bridging. Me don't want to be a friend anymore. But you don't know. Me not have nothing against you.
You think you're past that friend brethren-ship part, but do you think you guys are almost, you owe each other at least a conversation?
Yeah. I feel like, in the sense where I feel like there was whole heap of miscommunication, misunderstanding, and misinformation and misinformed things where people see the opportunity when me and him kick off as the perfect opportunity to drive the wedge deeper between us by and also try get closer to him by doing that. So, and then me now, me's a man with my mouth bust. Me love chat. So, if a man come to you and say, Darrio said this, it's easy if you believe. Because Darrio love chat. You see that? So, a man gonna come and say, yo, Darrio did say this, you know. You nah think twice hard, try do your investigation. You just have to believe and say, yeah, man, that's so him stay, man. Darrio a fussy, man. So, I feel like enough of that with our situation. Like, we are, him never get 8 me upon him own.
There was added stuff put in the pot.
Yeah, cause that man make a speech already must have 2 foot hype say, oh, as long as him have breath in him body, him will never deal with me. What? It not that serious to me. Like, it not that serious. Me would have never said that, bro. Me would have never said that. You see me? Me check for you as a youth. You know what I mean? And me would have never want nothing to happen to you. And me know you wouldn't want nothing to happen to me. Because one time, something did go up on the internet, but some people must do me something after one video shoot. Something where it was a lie. And he was the first man where I call along my people them to check if me alright. Mark him ego. Now I gonna make him call me to find out if me good. But him call along my people them, and one night time when I go through him little stunt, publicity stunt, them when I talk about him there out to kill himself. Me reach out to film people them. Well, lie. Nah, say that. One of film people them reach out. Mark is here to be exact. Him engineer reach out to me and say, yo, you know, so I'm worried. I say, what go on? I say, you know, see why DJ post or whatever. I say, yeah. I say, why you worried? The man said, I never hear him talk like this before. I feel like, no, it's the time where you need to get involved and link him. So Mark is a come up with the idea there. And I say, all right, make him link me. But I would think a week later, the woman must take him back. And then, when I link back Mark, and say, yo, hope you never hear the DJ link me, man say, his words. I mean, I said this. Wait, this is Mark words. The man say, I mean, we can show you the screenshot after we're done. The man say, all that publicity stunt there and there, and down no bumbo clad. See? And that, me don't know if Mark operate on him own doings with that, or really that was the case. But if that was the case, me really disappointed because use the reality of your brother reality for publicity stunt because say you feel like you don't kill yourself. Knowing say you saying that believable because you come from a bloodline where that happened already, bro. You see me I say? Me never like that. You see me? So that even push me further away from even reconciliation. You know what I mean? Because in truth and fact, brother, me don't need them and them don't need me.
No, like, everybody's their own man doing their own thing.
Me become my own boss in the sense of me have people where me pay. Me have people where I am pay. Like me have people who depend on me for get work for them. You know what I mean? And the only reason me don't want to reason with DJ is for make him know say yo, who always start link, nothing no change for me, you know. You still want you to me rate. You still want you to me know who never wants to know nothing to. But at the end of the day, things do happen when people part ways. Such is our situation, we part ways. But I don't feel like millions of things where people used to come tell us say was how it go. I mean no the other way around, things where them come tell me say, Ray, I know so it go. You see me? So in that regards, we always self a reasoning and we would even use the word oh. A reasoning would have been necessary.
Yeah, I would go with O.
No, because you know what I mean? I say oh, because if that not happen, me not gonna feel like me lose nothing.
Not like okay, not lose or gain. When I say oh, it's like okay, we started out this way.
Yeah.
We ended out on a bad term, and there's still a lot of loose ends that were left. And again, this conversation doesn't have to be on here. I would rather this conversation
it wouldn't.
be
Definitely not.
You understand? You two sit down, hold a drink, whatever, and talk.
No, definitely wouldn't be an on-air reasoning, man. I feel like the only thing me meds when me meds DJ is some bad girl song. I feel like that's the only thing me feel like we go blunder with. We have a chemistry when it come to the girl song them. And we just feel like we ego and that play a great role in depriving the sexy ladies them of some sexy girl song for them dance to. See me I say? That's the only thing. And if anything, me fi say if any going forward, if anything for happen, as it say, a connection for make with me and Subkonshus or DJ, it have to be in that regards where I read him come up and a man say, yo, you know, so I told me a year upon this, or him come up with a bright idea one day, say, yo, you know what, fuck all of this foolishness, yo, me a DJ go do a song. Right. That's the only room me left open for anything happen. Like, me no want nothing else. You can't see me and tell me, say, yo, you know, say, are we this again? No. You see me? But
no, it's just,
music,
that's clear.
And music, we step in at the studio and meet you the day, and it should always be like that. And the only reason why we reach writers are because it become more than just music. After a while, it become bridging and ego and personal things. So emotion start fling now because you're not just my artist again, me your brother like that. So you know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not gonna make that mistake.
Yeah. No, I get it. You know what I mean? This, as I said, excellent conversation. Darrio, I didn't expect anything less. You understand? Right now, the floor is yours. You get to big up anybody you want to big up, say anything you want to say. Leave some contacts where they want to book you for dub played songs, anything before we get you out of here.
All right. Big up all the people who are watch this right now. We just want the people who know say Darrio still there actively at the music. Check out my music on all of the platforms. Them just type in Darrio, Darrio. Big up Power Fat ENT. She am a plug in Canada. When I call her and tell her, say, I want to come do some promo in Canada, she never hesitate. She start make be a call. She make me know 410 link and everybody. You know what I mean? So I share the Darrio plug in Canada, yo. Big up. You don't know, 2 line. Production, you don't know, entertainment report podcast, DJ Rum Blood, big up yourself. And for the people them who want to find me for anything, I still Darrio Music and everything, all platform. DARRIOMUSIC, all platform. And if you want the bookings, the same thing, darriomusic@gmail.com. See what I say? If you don't remember nothing what I just said a while ago, www.darriomusic.com. That have everything what I said before that. See what I say? I plug, I connect, I was there.
I rate the fact that you have your website and it's active. It's not just, okay, I have a site. It's active. That I see you making all the right moves. When that, because remember, all it's going to take is one song. Gone through the door. You see what I tell people with viral? You see, viral is a hell of a thing. If you don't have anything to back it up, you get checked. But you see, you have bodies of work. You
Yeah,
have
man.
so many. You have videos. It's just like
Foundation
one.
set, man. The foundation set. And that me tell man them, me tell my friend them, say, yo, this is what me I set up myself. Say, see, as them go and say 1 foot in, me nah take my foot out of them neck. Me rounded now. Me I play instrument. Me I learn for mix. Me I learn for do everything. Me I read. Me I read and I study. Me I say read. Me not talk about read music. Me I read. In general, me I read something, me I learn something. You see me I say? Me I learn something where I know the average everyday man knowledge.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah. And them something that me I learn some things where you probably not hear me put in my music. But guess what? What it do is it open up my vocabulary and it expand my knowledge and thinking.
Yeah.
So me can use the same formula there for solve something else. Because when we are going to school and them say 1 plus X plus X. We are say, but what this have to do with we not see nobody I use X plus X when we turn big
But
man.
it's
But
problem solving.
Problem solving, and it make your brain exercise your brain for can know how to maneuver difficult situation. And that we are do right now. We are reading and we are studying and we are trying to be a better version of yesterday self. You see me I say? Yeah, man.
Dario,
Mad thing,
big up yourself, boss.
Blessings, man.
410 Link, big up yourself for actually
Yeah, man.
making it happen, you know what I mean? And
Big up
even
410,
Pablo Soul Survivor, I know you guys are checking him out after.
now, yeah,
when it
man.
comes to dub plays, definitely big up Pablo Soul Survival. That's
Yes,
the
man.
link, you understand?
Definitely.
DJ Rumblood, big up
There,
yourself
I would
same
do
way
same
too, you
way.
understand?
Man.
Them man, you run TikTok.
Yes,
Check
man.
him out, you understand?
Boss,
Big
man.
him up right there. You know what I mean? Everybody else watching, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me give you an outro and get you out of here. Bomb. Well, this is Muscle, and this has been another Two Line Music Cuts Entertainment Report podcast, and we are out. Bomb.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinemusichut.com.